How's it going, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 V2 in the Tephra colorway. First off, I want to give a huge thank you over to Adidas Canada for sending me over this pair. These drop on June 15th for $300 US or $400 here in Canada. So this being a V2 version of the Yeezy 700 silhouette actually didn't sell in stores at all. In fact, as I'm recording this today, a lot of sneaker boutiques still have this pair sitting on shelves. Whether it's just Yeezy fatigue or people just not being a fan of the colorway remains to be seen. But with all that said, let's jump straight into the shoe and I'll give you guys a closer look. So first off, starting at the toe box, so this base layer at the very bottom, this is constructed using this rough nylon which sort of has a canvas feel to it. Found at the very edge of the toe box, forming sort of like a U shape, we have this dark beige colored suede, and this is followed by this underlay of 3M right next to it. And then we also have this strip of 3M that holds the laces in place. Running up the center area of the shoe where the eyelets are, here we have this beige colored leather. This leather feels very nice and very luxurious. And then the second and third eyelet are also done in 3M as well. Running down the mid panel of the shoe, we have these horizontal stripes which are done in this dark gray color. And then running along the very bottom of the length of the shoe, here we have this dark gray colored suede. Taking a look at the back end of the shoe, so at the very bottom we have more of that nylon which has that canvas feel to it. And then overlaid on top of this, we have both suede and 3M hits. In terms of laces, these come with an oval shaped beige colored lace. And then underneath this, we have this nylon padded tongue, which is also done in this beige color. As I pull out the insole, so these come with an Adidas, Yeezy, and Ortholite branded insole. And then at the very bottom, you can see there's additional padding in certain key areas to increase the comfort on this shoe. So the upper of these Yeezy Boost 700 V2s sits atop this gray colored midsole, which has these unique patterns that are carved out throughout the length of this foam. Underneath the back heel, we have these oval shaped cutouts, which is actually done in 3M as well. Encased within the foam, we have full length boost for cushioning. Turning these over to the bottom, so here we have your outsole. So this is done in gum rubber and we have this herringbone traction pattern running from heel to toe. Running throughout the length of the outsole, we have these cutouts that expose the boost cushioning found within the midsole. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and Adidas Canada sent me these guys in a size 10. So similar to my review of the static colorway, these 700 V2s run relatively true to size. So whereas I go with a 10.5 in the 700 V1s and other Yeezy models like the 350 V2, for the 700 V2s in contrast, these do run more true to size, so size 10 fits me perfectly. From a comfort standpoint, so the Yeezy 700 V2 does require some break-in time until you can really feel that cushioning underneath your feet. And it doesn't have that same sensation like the 350 V2 has, where it's super soft upon your first wear. But from my experience with the static colorway and my Wave Runner V1s, the more I've worn it over time, the more broken in and more comfortable they feel on feet. So with all that out of the way, now let me put these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. Overall, while the colorway on the sneaker isn't the best, I still am a fan of the 700 V2 model. Personally, to me, I feel like it's a little bit more on the bland side, and all these tones of beige, gray, and brown honestly doesn't make this one of my favorite sneakers on the market, but at the same time, I could say that the color palette on this shoe is very versatile, and you could probably pull this off with a wide array of outfits. So let me know in the comments down below how you guys feel about the Tephra Yeezy Boost 700 V2s. Do you guys like this pair, or was this a sure pass for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. One final thank you goes out to Adidas Canada for always showing love. And until next time, I'll catch you guys all in the next one.